Hello learners, welcome back to new tutorial. Select this ZX plane, click on position sketch, click on OK. Select profile command, create L-shaped lines. Give the length. Its vertical length is 160. Horizontal length also 160. Select corner. Select this horizontal and vertical line. Click S. Again, this radius is 60. Exit workbench. Create a new plane on this point. Select plane. The plane type. Select parallel through point. Reference plane is this YZ plane. Point. Select this point. Click on OK. Select plane 1. Click on position sketch. Click on OK. Select circle command. Create 2 concentric circles. This outer diameter is 72. Inner diameter is 60. Select center point of the circle and origin point. Right click. Click on coincidence. Exit workbench. Define the part body. Select sketch 2. The sketch basic feature. Select this rib option. Profile is sketch 2. Center curvature is sketch 1. Click on preview and OK. Define sketch. Select this plane 1. Position sketch. OK. Hide this part body. Select circle. Create 2 circle with center point. And 2 circle on top side. This point to horizontal axis is 160. Outer diameter is 42 into 2. Inner diameter is 60. Top side inner diameter is 20. This outer diameter is 40. Select this center point and this center point is 60 mm. Select by tangent line in line command. Select this top circle and this circle. Again select this tangent line, circle and this circle. It creates a tangent line. Select with trim option. Trim these circles. Select line. Create one horizontal line. Constrain this line. Select this horizontal line and this point. Right click, coincidence. Invert this line as a construction. Select this inclined line and this circle. Click on mirror. Select this horizontal line. Now trim these unwanted lines. It is completely constrained. It is ISO. Exit workbench. Unhide this part body. Go to insert. Select a body. Select sketch 3. Click on pad. Reverse this direction. Length is 10 mm. Click on preview. Click on OK. We done. Define sketch. Select sketch 3. Ctrl C and paste. This sketch 4 is copied from sketch 3. Select sketch 4, right click, object, change sketch support. Select this bottom plane, reverse this horizontal, click on swap, click on OK. Edit this sketch 4. Delete this horizontal dimension. Select complete sketch. In the operation command bar, select this rotate option. Select this constraint conversion. Instances are 1. Select this center point and this arc. Rotate 90 degree. Move this rotated sketch. Delete this sketch. Delete this fix command. Select this center point and this center point. Right click coincidence. Top circle center point. This vertical line coincidence. Bottom circle center point and this vertical line coincidence. Check this sketch is fully constrained. It is under constraint. Click on this icon. It will show where it is under constraint. Line number 9 is under constraint. Select this line number 9. Right click, center of graph. This is line number 9. And again select this line. Click on reframe on. This is our line number 9. Delete this line number 9. Now check the status. It is ISO constraint. Exit workbench. Define body 2. Select sketch 4. Pad option. Length is 10 mm. Direction is top side. Preview and OK. Select this body 2. Right click, object, click on add. Define this part body. Select chamfer. Select this edge and this edge. Length is 4 mm. Angle is 45. Preview and OK. Select edge fillet. Select this edge. And this edge. Radius is 3 mm. OK. Hide these planes. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt related to these CAD topics, please comment in the comment box.